All right. So I got myself a McDonald's breakfast burrito that's been in the fridge, and a Sonic breakfast burrito that's been in the fridge. And now I'm going to be doing a taste test. Which one is better reheated? So let's give it a try. Let's try this one. Mm-hmm. I'd say it's good. I like the cheese. It still tastes good. Still tastes pretty much the same as it did earlier, and I like it. Okay. Now for the McDonald's one, haven't been eaten yet, so this is a fresh one. Well, let me take the top off. All right. Okay, let's try it. I mean, it looks pretty good. That's surprisingly good. Maybe it's the cheese. Hold on. The cheese is far superior. I don't know how this is better. I thought the song was gonna be better. Oh no. It's actually really good. So McDonald's probably beats it. Sonic, huh? I thought you'd do better. You got your roll skaters and all that?